Guys, this is how to withdraw from your PayPal account to your Nsave account. If you don't have Nsave account, you can click on the description of this video. You will see the link there. Create your account, set it up, and make sure that when you are setting up your Nsave account, you use the name that you use that is on your NIN, because you will need to verify it, so that when you want to verify, it will not be a problem for you. So click the link in the description of the video to download your Nsave. With that, you can be able to receive payment from either US bank or UK bank. So this payment on my PayPal, this PayPal is actually US or a US business account, UK business account. So the payment is actually from Viewpoint. You can see $3. Recent activity $3. So this $3 actually made it from Viewpoint. Viewpoint is owned by Facebook. You can just go to your Play Store or Apple Store to download it. It is free. You just answer a little survey, and it does not even take much time at all. And the best thing is you can even clone the app. If you are using Android, you can just download either draft space or something. You clone the app. Just imagine, and you are not having like 5 accounts, and you are able to get tax on all the 5 accounts. That means $3 on 5. You know how much is that? So you can actually do that. It is free app, and does not it does not even have referral program or have link. It does not have any link. Just go to your Play Store or Apple Store. You just search for Viewpoint. You are going to see it. Register with your name. You don't need to use VPN or anything. Just register with your name, put your number, that's all. Immediately you can receive tax immediately, or you wait for 1 to 2 days. The tax is going to appear. Once you have 1,000 points, you are good to go. So now I want to withdraw from my PayPal account to my Nsave account. So here I'll just click on this drawdown, this money management. Then I'll click on transfer money. I've already linked my Nsave to this account, so let it load. You can see I'm not actually using PayPal app. I'm using websites. The website I'm using is DuckDuckGo. It's more okay to use PayPal account. In Nigeria is not, and you don't need to own any VPN when you are doing it. So now I'm going to click the first one, which said in few minutes. I'm going to click on that box. We say in few minutes. I'm going to tap on it. You can see everything. This is my bank. This is my Nsave bank. I have already had it. So I'm going to make another video on how you can add your Nsave to your PayPal account. But this video is only based on how you can withdraw from your PayPal to your Nsave account. So I've already had it. So now I'm just going to click on transfer now. So let's see. You can see your money is on the way. Click on done. So I've withdrawn my money to my Nsave. So in few minutes I'm going to receive my payments in my Nsave account. So this is just the simple step on how to withdraw from your PayPal to your Nsave. This is my Nsave. You can see the amount 2.15 that I withdraw. They charge no. They don't charge any fee. You can see it's the exact amount I withdraw is there, 2.15. So this is just simple method on how to withdraw from your PayPal to your Nsave account. Easy peasy. If you got value from this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop a new video like this, you'll be the first person to notify. Thank you, and see you in another video.